Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's fun video, we're going to be doing another haul. This haul, I've put it into this bag, but this haul is from a shop called Savers. I don't know if all of you guys get a shop called Savers, but it is almost like Superdrug or a discount Boots. So it's very similar to Boots and to Superdrug. They do quite a lot of the similar items, but it is substantially cheaper. I go there all the time. It is one of my new favorite shops, and I want to show you guys what I bought today when I went there. So like I said, this isn't the bag that you get from Savers, but I put it into this bag because it's much more fun pulling things out of a bag rather than just have them all over the table. So let me get started. The first thing I got was a deodorant. This Soft and Gentle deodorant is in the fragrance Delicate Bloom, lavender, and now I can't say that. Is it patchouli? It smells super fresh. It is amazing. It lasts all day. It does say 48-hour protection. However, I do get a shower every day, so I wouldn't be able to tell you whether it lasts 48 hours or not, but it definitely lasts a good 24, and it is skin friendly. I've never had an issue with it. I've never had a rash. It is so good, and it is one of these roller balls. I love this type of deodorant. I love lavender, so that is definitely awesome. This item was 99p. Pretty standard, I think, price point for all of these type of deodorants, but I thought that was still good. The next thing I got, I thought was so much fun. We've got 2 face masks. Are they face masks? Yes, I think they're both face masks. So you're getting 2. These are 69p for 2 face masks, which I think is amazing. The first one is an orange oil and vitamin C peel-off mask. I do love a good peel-off mask. So it's revitalizing. It's got vitamin C, so it's going to give you that fresh glow. The other one that we have is a cucumber and apple reviving mask. So cucumber is really good for freshening up your skin and brightening and lightening. So these are definitely awesome. I'm super excited to try these, and they are very thick. They do have this little tear strip right in the center, so that's pretty awesome. That means that we don't have to open both and then keep one. So 69p I think these were. So that again is amazing for 2 face masks. That's awesome. Another face mask I got was this Beauty Formulas Australian Tea Tree Peel-Off Mask. This mask is deep cleansing and it lifts dirt to unblock pores. This is 50 grams. How many grams do we get of product here? We're getting 6 milliliters in each one of these products, and here, sorry, I think I said grams, but I meant milliliters. So you're getting 50 milliliters in this pack. So that's going to do much more than one face mask. It has got a resealable lid. So once you're done, you just pop the lid on. It keeps it fresh for the next time. And I think that's pretty awesome. It is definitely thick. This is 99p, so you're getting a ton of product for such a cheap amount of money, or for it's very good value is what I'm trying to say. Okay, the next item is obviously not for me. It's called Be My beard oil. It's non-greasy, easily absorbed oil to condition beard and skin with subtle masculine fragrance. This is awesome. My husband uses this, so this is definitely for him. Excuse me. So let me show you guys what you get inside. So you get a bottle of the serum. It is really good. My husband has used this before and he really loves it. It is 99p for this beard oil. It sounds really cheap, but it is really good. How much product? And we're getting 30 milliliters of product for 99p. So for me, that is definitely an awesome bargain. That is great value. Let's see. We have something in here. Okay, so a couple of these items are duplicates, but I'm going to show you them anyway. The next two items that I bought today are these Newton's Lab T-Zone Care Skin Charcoal Black Hydrating Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. They're refreshing, brightening, and detoxifying charcoal infused hydrogel under eye masks. These are amazing. I love these. My under eyes always look fantastic when I've used these. Each one of these packets has 3 pairs of the eye masks and they are 99p. I mean, it's skin purifying, it's dermatologically tested, it's paraben free, and it's hypoallergenic. So these are amazing. I know that you can spend much more than that on just one set of these. So they're awesome to me. And I got 2 sets. That will stop me having to run back. However, what I also got were another double set. These are the Balance Active Formula Gold Collagen Hydrogel Under Eye Masks, because these ones are rejuvenating and firming. They cool and freshen. They're cool and fresh, and they brighten. And it's got gold and marine collagen. These are awesome. I love these. I usually put a set of these on every other night. You're getting 3 packs, and again, they are super cheap because they're 99p for 3 packs. They come, let me open these ones and show you. They come in sealed packs, which is awesome. And they honestly, just to lie in bed at night with a set of these on, just relaxing, listening to maybe some music, watching a YouTube video. They're so nice. And my under eyes always look a little bit more refreshed. So these are a must buy for me. The next thing that I bought is a Balance Active Formula Gold Collagen Hydrogel Lip Mask. And again, this one is rejuvenating, but this apparently plumps your lips. It gives fuller looking lips, it moisturizes, and it leaves your lips smooth. There are 2 masks inside here. Again, 99p, which I think is an awesome deal. These are good. I wouldn't say that I would notice any plumpness from my lips, and I use these probably about 3 times a week. I wouldn't say that they get plumper. I would say that my lips do definitely feel smoother. They feel moisturized, and I don't, since I've started using these, I haven't noticed cracked lips. I do use a lot of lip balm, which does tend to keep my lips quite soft. But these do always make my lips smoother. So definitely an awesome price. Definitely on my to buy list. And a definite thumbs up to Savers. Okay, guys, 2 more fun items in this bag. Well, they're not, maybe not that fun. 2 more useful items in this bag are, razors. Not so much fun, I guess. They're just razors. They are a pack of 4 Supermax. You're getting 3 blades. There's, again, 4 packs. They're in this beautiful pink color. These are so good. I swore by these. They're 99p for a pack of 4. They are disposable, but they're amazing. They give such a close shave when you're shaving your legs. My legs always feel silky smooth when I use them. So definitely a bonus and a plus that they're only 99p, and you're getting 4. So that's enough for me for a week or 2. Perfect. Very happy with those. Guys, the last thing I have, I didn't actually mean to purchase, but I purchased it because the smell is so good. And it's cute. So the last thing that I bought was this Fresh Linen Comfort Air Pure Scented Beads. And they come in this cute bag. The reason I bought this was because I love the fact that it has a hook, and I want to hook this in my closet just to give it that beautiful fresh linen smell. I like when you open the door and you get this burst of fragrance. These are so strong. They will definitely go all the way around my closet and my wardrobe, and they're cute, they smell good, and they were 49p. I think this is awesome for 49p. I would definitely buy these again. They do come in a berry scent, but I love the fresh linen. It is a much stronger scent than the berry. So this was an awesome purchase for me, and it's definitely something I will go back and pick up. Something I didn't mean to pick up, but now that will be on my list the next time I go in. So guys, everything here cost roughly 99p each, which I think is amazing. I know if you go to Boots or to Superdrug, all of these items are much more than that. I can't talk about this little air freshening bag. I mean, for 49p, that's awesome. I couldn't buy that anywhere else on Wish, Fova, on AliExpress. So that for me was amazing. I definitely recommend, if you have a Savers and you have not been into that store, to go in and see what you can find, because they do some amazing, amazing offers. I love everything here. I will use everything here, apart from this, but I will use everything, and that's an awesome day shopping for me. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think. What's your favorite item? What's your least favorite item? Have you used these before? And if you have, let me know in the comments how you found them. And guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I have so much fun shopping for these items. I have so much fun making this video that I hope you guys do too. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. All your likes on my videos really help support my channel. So I am thankful that you are supporting me, and would ask that you continue doing it by liking my video. Guys, if you're not yet a subscriber and you would like to become one, please hit that little subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified of any future videos, please hit that notification bell. Guys, again, thank you so much for joining me. I've had so much fun. I hope you have too. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.